Hey everybody, how are we doing tonight? This is Christina from One Creative Direction. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a quick video and I'm going to attempt to paint on these new tiles that I just got. I was lucky enough to find these 4-inch hex tiles. I have been looking for them for so long and happened upon them at a local hardware store tonight. So, or not hardware, tile store today. So pretty excited to paint on these, make some coasters out of them. And then also when I do blooms, I scrape the paint into a container, and this container right here is full of those scrapes. And so I mixed it all up together, and it has this really nice gray color. It's kind of a light slate gray. I don't know how well this is going to go because I'm guessing there's going to be a lot of chunks in here, and it looks to be a little thinner than I would normally have my bloom paint, which is fine. It will obviously spread a lot easier and hopefully not crack, and shouldn't have any trouble leaving too much paint on the tile. So yeah, we're gonna do a little trial here. I know that's gonna go over the edges before you even have a chance to spin it, but we'll see what happens. So I picked out a few colors. This is actually Prism Pour Chrysocolla. Haven't used this very often. We're gonna try this out today. Hope everybody's having a good Friday. Weather was beautiful here in Ohio. I don't know about you guys. Yeah, I wish I was out kayaking today. It was just beautiful. Went into the big city today and actually stopped at Blick's and got a few really good deals on some paint. So I'm excited to get those mixed up and start using those. I got some golden fluids. I've been trying to do some cloud and pearl pours using those. And got a few of the Blick acrylics that I'm going to try. I really liked the white. So if you check out my Dutch pour video, I used some of the white acrylic from Blick rather than the Artist Loft for my Dutch pours. Worked out really well. So they're having a big sale right now, so I stopped and got some paints. Let's see, what else did I buy? I bought a couple Blick. I bought what was the name? Olbrack? I can't remember what it was, but I know I've seen several artists use it. It's quite expensive retail price, but the sale they were having, I think it was like 55% off or something like that. So yeah, sorry, the other colors that I used were Artist Loft Aqua Green, and this is actually Boom Stain, and it is metallic gold. I don't know how well that's going to look on the gray paint, but usually your pillow paint just kind of disappears. And then this is a pigment that I mixed up a while ago, a Color Art, and I'll have to look on the lid here. I don't remember exactly what it was, but it's a really pretty aqua color. I think it's called Robin's Egg. I don't know if that's green or blue. I guess we'll see. So, get my trusty swipe tool here, mixed up some fresh cell activator, and let's give it a whirl. See what kind of cells we get with this mixture for the pillow. Anxious to see if it's going to work, or I'm just going to have to scrap all this paint. For the longest time, I was just scraping it right into my my pool, and didn't really care for it. There's a lot of paint, and then when I took this out, it got really heavy. So I recently started putting it in this container to hopefully, you know, try to keep my liner clean a little bit longer than normal. So I guess we'll see how that works out. It looks pretty good so far. Wow, I'm surprised. All right, we're gonna go from the other side. I'm not sure why I did that this time. Usually I swipe from one side to the other, but today I decided to go from the center. See what kind of difference that makes. I know I've done it before, it's just been a while. Okay. I'm gonna let that sit and marinate for just a second, and then I'm gonna give it a couple of spins, see what we get. Looks very pretty. Actually, I could have just put my cell activator over the gray and it probably would have looked cool. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that lacing with just the gray base paint, the pillow paint. So I'm gonna do what I do sometimes, and that is tilt it a little bit before I spin it. Sometimes that helps activate some of that cell activator, gets it going, stretch it out a little bit. So I've been filming quite a few videos. I did quite a few mixing videos. So the Dutch pour one was the first one that I compared a couple of different recipes, and I've got 4 different pearl cloud pour recipes mixed up. And so be watching for those videos, or I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put all of it in one because it's gonna be very lengthy. I'll speed up the videos, you know, where I can, but it's a lot of information. So let's give it a spin. It actually looks pretty cool. I'm surprised. Wow. That looks pretty cool. I'm gonna bring you guys down to the surface here real quick. This isn't going to be a long video because I don't want you to sit through like a ton of these, since I'm just going to do the same thing. But let me know what you think. I guess the real test is, are they going to dry that way? But yeah, I mean, the gray paint pretty much disappeared, so that's kind of why I was saving it, because I thought, well, it's kind of free pillow paint. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to put this off to dry and probably whip up some more. So it's a quick video. Appreciate you guys coming to watch. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell for the notifications, so when I put out new videos, which I have a ton of them in the process right now, that way you get notified. And the ultimate compliment is if you share. So if you know somebody that can use this information, please share it with them. I would greatly appreciate it. So again, thanks for coming to watch tonight, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye now. Hey everybody, I just wanted to bring you back real quick and show you, I did 4 of these, and I wanted to show you the result. I hope they dry just as pretty as this, because these turned out really, really pretty. Look at that. I mean, I did put a pigment in there, so I think it's a color shift pigment, so it depends on like which direction I'm coming from. They kind of change color, which is kind of cool because I only put 1 in there. But yeah, those turned out gorgeous. So if they dry well, I will update with the dry results, and consider this a huge success, and so excited about this new hex tiles. So awesome. Catch you guys later. Bye.